y'all small tuna fish and one big catch.
This is a Shark Tale
Here we go again.
2004 phenomenal hit.
Small tuna fish and one big catch.
Car wash, car wash. Car wash, car wash.
Yeah, let's drop it on them like this.
You might not ever get rich. Let me tell you, it's better than digging a ditch. There ain't no telling who you might meet. A movie star or maybe a common thief working at the car wash. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. At the car wash, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. At the car wash. Sing it with him now. Working at the car wash, yeah. Come some of the work is kinda hard. This ain't no place to be if you're planning on being a star. Let me tell you, it's always cool. None of us don't mind sometimes if you're acting like a fool. Working at the car wash. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. At the car wash, yeah. Come on. At the car wash. Now come on and work it with me now. At the car wash, yeah. Say. And what will those cars never stop coming? Work and work. Those grinding machines coming. Work and work. My fingers to the bone. But you wanna can't wait till it's time to go home. Hey, get your car wash today. Set up and you're gonna pay. Hey, get your car wash today. Give it up right away.
Car wash. Sharks in the water make their jaws lock. When I swim through the grim, I'm too hot. Y'all can make your bets, y'all small tuna fish, I'm one big catch. Bow down, player, cause this right here will be your worst nightmare. Work that, pop back, hurt that, turn this up and bang it all up in your surface. 9 to 5, I gotta keep that fat stack coming. No matter how big the shark is, the right keep running. Washing cars ain't no place to be a superstar, man. That's why I work.